your hair needs good food too. Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. It's Ekyz. If it's the first time here, you're welcome. If you are a subscriber, thank you so much for always tuning in. Today is how to steam your hair at home using all natural ingredients. So without further ado, let's go right into this video. Look at my hair. It's so bushy, so dry. The ingredients we are going to be using in this to steam our hair is the aloe vera. So I'm going to be cutting open and remove the gel from inside. I'll show you how I do that. And then we have our avocado here. We have our egg here. So I'm going to be using 2 eggs for this. And I also have my shea butter. So you can use any oil, like any oil is pretty good. Coconut oil, olive oil, whatever oil you deem fit that is okay or suitable for your hair, you can definitely use that. So let's go. So you need a bowl like this, and then you also need a kitchen knife, something like this. So first of all, what I'll be doing is to remove this this thing by the side of the aloe vera. If not, it's gonna injure you. And again, if you don't like bitter things, get a gloves, okay? If not, your hand is gonna be bitter. If you dare put this in your mouth, your mouth will remain bitter for the rest of the day, because this thing can be so bitter. Okay, so I'm cutting it into this portion so it will be easier for me to remove the gel from inside. Don't mind me. So I'm just cutting that into portions. Sorry if you can't see me, because I really do not have where to keep back for you to see. Okay, so I have like 3 of these, so I'll be doing the same thing, pretty much the same way I did the first one. So yeah, benefit of aloe vera for hair and scalp. Aloe vera contains proteolytic enzymes, I'll put that up here, which repairs dead skin cells on the scalp. It also acts as a great conditioner. It leaves your hair all smooth shine. It promotes hair growth, prevent itching on the scalp, reduce dandruff, and also conditions your hair. With the knife so you don't injure yourself. So I'm taking my bowl and then I cut this open, like you see what I'm doing. I cut this open. I'm opening it from the edge of this one here so that the gel can just be here. And yeah, so oh my gosh, look at the gel. Okay, that's pretty much. This is what I'm going to do to all of the portions until I'm done taking off the gel. If you have a pointy knife like this, it's very much easier to just, you know, slide it into the aloe vera. Like, it makes the work pretty much easier. And then you just slide it in and remove the gel. Like, the pointy tip makes the work a lot easier compared to if I'm using like a normal kitchen knife, and you know that this is like a very slippery gel. So I had to go put this on. I was shy, like my hair is so bushy, it's also bushy. Okay, so we are done with the aloe vera extract. So this is how the gel looks like after extraction or extracting. Okay, next is our avocado pear. I'm going to slice this open into 2 equal parts because there's a seed inside, so you need to take that out and just do with the, what is it called? Okay, so I'm gonna be using the butter. Is it the butter or what is it called, please? And this pear is so sweet, like it's so sweet, and I know that it's gonna make my hair sweet. I'm going to blend everything together. There's really no need to get a different bowls for different ingredients. So this looks like it's really not ripe, but it is. It's just, I don't know if it's the weather that dried it or something. Can't really
Avocado on the hair is a great source of biotin with B complex. Also, the mineral in the avocado oil, including potassium and magnesium, may seal cuticle cell, which help hair looks smooth, shiny, and prevent it from breaking.
It's looking like something that is not properly ripe, but I don't know if it's because I put it in the fridge. That's why it's like this. So I'm just trying to separate that and just put that in here. So I'm sure the blender will do justice to this. I'm using the whole of this because my hair is actually long and it's full. So I have undergrowth. I relax my hair twice or thrice a year depending on how hard my hair is. I really do not have a very stubborn hair. If you haven't seen my video how I relax my hair at home, I'll be leaving a link somewhere here so you see. Next is I'll be using 2 eggs for this. I'm breaking that into this. So some people use just egg white, but I'm using both the yolk. So yeah, I'm adding my shea butter oil. So I melted this. You can leave this under the sun to get liquidy like this, or you just heat it up a little with your gas. So I'm putting like 1 spoon of that, or even 1.5 or 2. So yeah, 2 of that. So look at what we have here. I'm going to turn that right now into the blender and blend. Okay guys, so this is what it looks like from the blender. So let me just show you. Look at it, just look at it. This looks very yummy. Like, it's not just your body that love or that needs good food, your hair needs good food too. Turning that into that bowl. So I just wrapped this on using my shower cap. I'm going to leave this like to sit for like 5 to 10 minutes before I steam my hair with it. But first I'm gonna go on to wash my hair before I come back to apply that. Before I come back, it must have been like 5 to 10 minutes. So my hair have a lot of undergrowth. I don't want to relax just yet. Look at how my hair is breaking. Okay guys, so I'm back washing my hair. I'm going to be working with portions. I just washed with shampoo. I didn't deep condition it because we are gonna steam, and this is deep condition as well. So look at what we have here. So I've left this for like 10 minutes. So I'm going to use my fingers. I love when my hair is wet because it will help the conditioner to apply quickly and nice, and it will sink into my hair as quick as possible compared to when my hair is dry. If you don't like the smell of egg, maybe you should just do with the egg white, because the yolk inside is giving it this funny choking smell that I really do not like, but that is what you do for something you love. I'm massaging my scalp so it gets into my scalp properly, into my hair follicles, and just get the job done. So I'm done massaging that into my hair. I'll be covering my hair with the shower cap to trap that moisture and create more heat so that's steaming. So I'm gonna add this just to further help to steam the hair a lot faster. So I'm going to leave this for like 30 to 1 hour while I run around some errands, fix something to eat, and before then the hair will be steamed and I'll be back. Guys, if you haven't seen my video for beginners tutorial series that we just finished, I'll be leaving a card somewhere here so you go check that out. I always get very famished anytime I have to film a video. I don't know if I'm the only one. I just need to keep something by the side. So yeah guys, this is 30 minutes already, so I can't stay up to an hour because I have an appointment. So this is what the hair looks like. Like, my head is hot. The hair is so hot. Oh my gosh, the hair is so hot, guys. Okay, so this is what it looks like after 30 minutes. I sweat on my scalp like a lot, so I feel that also helps generate heat as well. I'm gonna go on ahead to wash my hair and dry, and I'll come back. Okay guys, so this is what my hair looks like after drying. The weight of my hair is times 2 or 3 of what I had before. It's so weighty, like I can feel the weight of my hair. I'm even feeling hot. Wow, like this steaming is everything. Guys, you need to try this. Just try it. And if you're trying it, let me know down in the comment section. And if you've tried it before, let me know your experience. So yes guys, that is it for this hair steaming at home using all natural ingredients. If you got any value out of this video, please let me know down in the comment section. If you're also gonna try this out, let me know as well. So leave this video a huge thumbs up if you like it, and also don't forget to subscribe right here and ring the bell beside it so you don't miss new videos. Stay tuned, stay blessed, and stay beautiful till I come your way next time. Bye guys.